Creo Plus now supports an integrated engineering notebook leveraging the powerful mathematical engine of Mathcad. Users can now embed Mathcad worksheets directly within the Creo Plus model to record design notes, document model information, and perform simple and complex engineering calculations. Users with an assigned license entitlement for Creo Plus Design Advanced or Creo Plus Design Advanced Professional will now be able to leverage the engineering notebook within Creo Plus. While this is a new solution for Creo Plus, PTC has supported embedded worksheets within on-prem versions of Creo for many releases. Available under the Application tab of Creo Plus, users will now see a new icon called Engineering Notebook, where they can create or edit an embedded Mathcad worksheet. Like with most applications within the Applications tab of Creo Plus, the first time a user selects the Engineering Notebook, it will install on demand from the PTC SaaS platform called Atlas. Once installed, the users can easily access the Engineering Notebook and embedded worksheets within their model. Models containing a worksheet will show a Mathcad icon in the top right corner of the Creo Plus graphics window. Through the embedded worksheet, users will be able to share parameters between Creo Plus and the Engineering Notebook to perform various calculations. The calculated results can be passed back to the Creo Plus model and update the shared parameter values, which in turn can modify the Creo Plus model. Using the embedded Engineering Notebook worksheet promotes an analysis-driven design process. Since the embedded worksheet is saved with the Creo Plus model, any user retrieving the model will be able to take advantage of that worksheet. This enhancement will allow users to easily perform engineering calculations, utilizing the powerful mathematical engine of Mathcad. The Engineering Notebook will promote analysis-driven design, document design intent, and can be used for the verification and validation of the design.